Hi friends, welcome to TechiesBadi. Today we will see how to convert image data into Excel sheet. Usually someone shares us an image copy of the data, so we have to enter the details in an Excel sheet. In this case, we can easily convert that image data into Excel sheet. For example, I have taken this sample image which contains some entries. Let's try to convert this image into an Excel sheet. For that, we need to search for image to Excel converter in web browser. Select the first link, that is online to pdf.com. Here we can select image file and then it will show you the convert option. There are many options in this list: PDF, PPT, Word conversions. Now select Excel conversion and click on convert button. Wait for a few seconds. It will process the image and download. Now Excel download is started. Now I open this Excel, see the output. Our image is converted into an Excel sheet and we can edit the data as well. There are some minor changes we need to do. Those are alignments and font selections, etc. Using this tool, we can save the time. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. For more technical videos, please subscribe to our channel TechiesBadi.